After almost 2 full years and prepping rigs for everything we can think of, we've set our sights on Drummond Island. The first part of this journey requires the crossing of the Mackinac Bridge, which for me is not a great thing to get stuck on, as I don't do heights super well. If only it was legal for me to throw the drone out right now and have it track me across the bridge.
Illegal.
It's like 100% illegal. Once over the bridge, toll paid, and regrouped, the convoy headed through St. Ignace and made our way to Detour Village, where you take the main mode of transportation to the island, a ferry.
You see that sign on the right? It says cell phone use prohibited.
I hear an echo.
Cell phone use is prohibited.
While this first day was mostly just making it to the island and finding a camping spot, I also took the time to visit a friend who lives on the island after leaving the ferry. However, I chose not to video during that as a sign of respect. First day camp. It's, I don't know, is it something special? I think it'll be okay. So, gonna probably eat some food and then sleep. And tomorrow is more of the big day. One that we've kind of been, in a way, prepping for. After making it through some muddy water, plenty of rocks, and some scenic views, we came to the first obstacle of the day, the mini steps. These steps don't seem to be very hard, however, without a lift, I can see that being a problem. After the mini steps, we arrived to the highlight of the whole trip, Marblehead. Marblehead's rock shelf steps are a sight to see in themselves. While there are many lines up and down, you need to find what works best for you. Out of our group of 4, 2 of us chose to attempt the steps, Keith and myself. You'll need to go over to Keith's channel to see his full attempt at the steps, and boy was it a doozy. Just roll that straight down like that. Keep it straight. Straight.
I don't know which way it's going. Ask the radio. I don't want to be in the way. Oh, he is going her line. Holy.
Just slightly this way, just a little bit, so you don't run into this kid. So I'm backing up to get a little bump. We might have to stack. You got to build a ramp. That's almost straight up and down.
He has so much torque on it. That diesel has way torque than us.
If you couldn't hear, at this moment, Keith had me stop. It was not lined up just right, and because of that, my rear drive shaft and pinion were going to smack right into the ledge. Unfortunately, this meant that it was time to stack some rocks. Luckily, there were plenty to choose from. While fast-forwarding through some rock stacking, I want to give a shout out to my friends, as they have all helped me to get to this. Without them, I don't think I would have made it to where I am, nor would I have had the confidence to even attempt something like this. Thanks, guys.
Josh, watch out for rocks. Oh yeah, that's no problem.
That wasn't the problem, but yeah.
Your diesel has so much torque in it. What do you think, Corey?
I think that my GoPro might have just died on me and then lost the file.
Yeah, but you got this though.
It said file repaired.
After tackling Marblehead steps, we proceeded to camp, as the day had slipped by with some hiccups along the way, and most of our plans were not reachable during this trip. The camp we found looked out over the north side of the island, with 2 additional camps down the hill on the beach area. However, the beach camps were already occupied by another group that I'm part of, named Mitten State Tours.
This is what it's like trying to leave Drummond on Sunday. Rain, thunderstorm with some more rain. So, I'm not going to video any more than this. It was a fun trip. And hopefully we'll do it again. But I got to focus. So, see you in the next one.